What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I'm returning with another banger for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making the most amazing air-fried garlic Parmesan chicken wings, perfect for this upcoming football season. You already know, game day is approaching. Gotta have them wings for sure. Let's not waste any time. Get right on into the recipe. Let go. All right, so we are gonna begin with about 2 pounds of some chicken wings. You're gonna go ahead and drizzle them up with a little bit of oil, get in there and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know we have to season these bad boys up proper. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course it will be listed in the description box as well. Make sure you're never stingy with that seasoning. Go ham, go crazy, and make sure your chicken wings are well coated up. And once that is set and done, we're gonna go ahead and air fry these bad boys up. We're gonna let these go at 375 Fahrenheit. The first go around we're gonna do about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it and let it go for another 10 minutes. So this is that first go around. Go ahead and load them up into your air fryer. And if you're interested in this particular one, check out my Amazon storefront in the description box so you can go ahead and grab one of these awesome air fryers. This is that halfway point I was telling you about. Go ahead and flip your chicken just like so. And like I said, an additional 10 minutes to get them nice and crispy. In the meanwhile, we're gonna work on our little garlic Parmesan sauce that's gonna coat these wings. We're gonna melt down 4 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. We're gonna toss in some freshly minced or chopped garlic, whatever you wanna call it, into the pan, just like so. We're also gonna toss in a little bit of parsley as well. We're not gonna put the parm yet, because if you put the parm, we're using fresh Parmesan, it's gonna melt up and get all gooey in a way that we don't want. So we're gonna wait till we are tossing our wings to, you know, shave that Parmesan cheese right over the top. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. But as you can see on the screen, our chicken is looking beautiful. Awesome crust on that chicken right there. So crispy. Cannot wait for you guys to try this one. I'm telling you, because it is bomb.freaking.com. How beautiful is that? So go ahead and toss that butter sauce right over the top of your chicken, just like so. Go ahead and toss it up a little bit. And after you're done tossing it up and it has that coating on there, you are then gonna shave some of that Parmesan cheese right over the top. Make sure you are not stingy with this as well. I love Parmesan cheese. It has a really awesome flavor to it. And obviously you want your wings to be piping hot at this point so that cheese can kind of melt on top of your wings, just like so. Go ahead and toss it up, and you're pretty much ready to bust down at this point. I did add a little bit more freshly chopped parsley, and this is it, baby. Let me hit you with a little B-roll right quick, and we are gonna bust down right after that. Looking good, smelling good as always, and I cannot wait to dig into this one. Of course, we gotta go with the flats, baby. Let me know down in the comments, is it drums or is it flats? Flats is where it's at, I'm letting you know. Cheers. Bomb.freaking.com. So good, so amazing, so easy to make. Get in your kitchen and whip this up today, not tomorrow, guys. As you can see, these bad boys are extra crispy out of that air fryer. Guys, you definitely got to whip this up. Do not hesitate to get in your kitchen and get this done right here. This is everything right here. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces.